Catalent's best-in-class ODT technology is used to develop ALK Abello immunotherapy products for the treatment of respiratory allergies. Allergy injection-based therapies typically require patients to go to specialist clinics for monthly subcutaneous injections, which contribute significantly to patient time spent as well as high medical costs. By creating a patient-friendly Zydis tablet vaccine, patients can administer medication themselves at home, which has led to increased patient adherence, reduced clinical visits, and improved patient experience. Whether considering an ODT to improve patient compliance or just to seek a marketing advantage, Catalent can partner with innovators to develop, to manufacture, and to launch their next ODT product. To learn more, visit www.catalent.com/Zydis.